Hi, and welcome to Shaker's Conglomerate. Today we are going to be reviewing the Azza CSAZ 250 computer case. I got it on Newegg at a very discounted price, and I thought I'd bring it along on this video for us to check out. Let me go ahead and grab it. Alrighty, here we have the case. Comes shipped in this box, arrived just like this. No damages. I only opened the top to check to make sure there's nothing broke inside. I haven't pulled it out yet. So to begin, let's begin with unboxing. Alrighty, here we are. So it ships in this high density foam. It's soft. Seems like it'll take an impact well. It's actually a fairly light case. I guess there wouldn't be too much to it. Alrighty, there's our first look at it. Put it up a little higher here. Alright, so on the front, door opens, drive bay. I don't know how many people are using drive bays nowadays. On the top, three USB 2.0s, one USB 3.0, mic, headphones, reset switch or maybe RGB, and your power switch. You also have a window here on the top, some ventilation along the top here, on the back, pretty standard. Looks like a standard 120 will fit here. Power supply. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Metal screwed and plastic housing. As I thought, there's no catch for this glass, so very careful when you're taking it off. There's film on both sides. It also has some cushion to seal that up, I guess, for positive airflow. User manual. I believe this here lights up. We have one 120 fan in the front. That is powered by Molox and I believe a red LED. Another 120 in the rear. Not LED. And we got our accessories here. Screws. ATX pins are already installed for the most part. Looks like you have to install a couple. Probably end up taking this drive bay out. Nice big motherboard opening. USB, HD audio, USB 3.1, USB, reset switch. No rubbers. Spin it around, let's get the other side. Just your standard metal case. Thumb screws come all the way out. They are thumb screws, I haven't had to use a tool yet. That's your standard slide in, so if you have too many wires over here, get a second set of hands to help you put it in. What do we got down here? Yeah, so the logo does light up here, the AZZA for Azza, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. A couple drive sleds. Well, it doesn't look too bad. Not a whole lot for cable management. Check the underneath. Underneath is nice. You have this pre-installed fan here, or filter for your fan, for the power supply. Some more ventilation along the front. Those fans, not a whole lot of ventilation though. I can't see the thermals being too great. All in all, for the price we paid for this case at the discounted rate on Newegg, I think we did alright. It's going to be interesting to do a build in it here later on. I think we're going to do a AMD Ryzen build in this one for now until a friend of mine can get his own case. He's going to borrow this one. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the Azza CSAZ250, leave a comment below and I'll try my best at answering that for you. Like, dislike, subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you just want to let me hear from you.